Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today the product we want to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly, and now let's see the details. Firstly, introduce you the outside packages, the blue VCI intervals bag. Secondly is the label. The product label, the first line is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00RJ01714. Actually, the local label packages, we support a customized service. And let's see the inside is the transparent bottles can be better avoid the damages during the translation. Let's see the product. Inside one layers of the oil paper to wrap it up. And each product we supply 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. And for this one applicable for injector number is 04451200050, etc. More information please check on below this video. And this one applicable for vehicle cars, for Cummins, etc. Let's see the valve cap. On the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove. This is the valve rod. If you want to install the valve assembly, first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's the tips. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Wish you have a good day. See you. Bye.